Plastic models.
How about we look at some of the new Gundam that's coming?
Oh,
Yeah?
yeah. Show me something exciting. Right. You are the plastic models expert.
How about we look at some of the new Gundam that's coming?
Oh.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So not all of it's new, but something like this hasn't been around for a while. So we'll get this figure here.
Hello.
This is...
I want to say it's Lacus Clyne, but is that wrong? That sounds way too Australian.
Well, no, I think you're right.
Lacus Clyne.
Lacus Clyne, maybe?
I don't know.
I don't know.
You should know.
Well,
you are the anime expert.
There's so many different ways of pronouncing something.
Do you know who would know? Simon would know.
Oh, he would.
He's the anime expert.
That's right. He watches it all the time.
Well, it's his birthday. It's his birthday. He's probably at home just watching anime all day.
Oh, all-day festival.
Probably not.
Yep. So this is from Gundam Seed, really popular, and that's where those Haro balls came from.
The what?
See how she's holding on to the Haro ball little...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Seems very white.
There it is. What seems very white?
Oh, no. It's just on that.
Yeah.
Can I have a look?
Yeah, absolutely.
So
these are...
That's a Haro ball.
Yep.
No paint.
No paint. So just clips together, no glue, and then fully posable.
Fully posable?
Yep.
So come to the stand.
Yeah, so there's a couple of examples there.
Going to go to Overhead Town and have a better look.
Sure.
Just at the box. I'm not going to do an unboxing.
There we go.
I like it.
You like it?
And then we'll come over here.
A bit sharper.
Whoop. Are you right?
I'm good, I think. There's a front.
I think it's too tight, but anyway. I want to be able to see her face and her feet at the same time.
Yeah? How's that? How about we go in a bit tighter there? How's that?
Look at that. What does the stand do? Does that just hold her?
It holds her.
And you can make her pose.
That's right. So if she's doing a flying death kick.
And they're actually really popular with a bit of stop animation, aren't they?
Oh, absolutely.
They're super cool with all the editing suites now, and even with your phone and stuff. You can really do. People are getting really creative with this stuff.
Yeah, because they've got a lot of movement, and they have the different faces as well. And you see all the different eyes that are included.
You can make her look sad, even. Why would you want to make her look sad?
I don't know.
This one here looks like she's asking for a bowl of porridge.
Yeah.
Please,
and
sir.
You see how she's
Can I have some more?
The different dress parts. So
it looks like part of it's fallen off there.
The part's fallen off.
The parts of the dress are fallen off.
Yeah, the main part.
It's no good.
And then there's a little Haro ball there too.
Haro ball.
Yeah, so just a ball version or with its ears opened up.
Oh, it has the ears too, so it can hear, obviously.
Maybe.
All right. All right, there we go.
What do you think of that?
Yeah,
all right, so
I don't know.
So that's not brand new, but that's back. Hasn't been around for a long, long time.
You know.
This is new though.
What's new?
30-minute sisters.
30 minutes. That still makes me laugh a little bit.
I
can't help it.
What's a 30-minute mean?
That's like 30 minutes to complete the model.
That's right.
Yeah?
That's right.
And it's a green-haired version.
That's right.
Yep.
Yep.
That's all I need to know.
So 30-minute sisters are designed so that they're easily customizable with the regular Gundam range as well as their own accessories.
Yeah.
So if you want to mix a Gundam into them, the joints for the arms and legs are very similar.
Really?
So, yeah.
She doesn't have a hand.
What you got?
That's unfortunate.
What do you mean? Let's have a look.
Well, she's got like a donut spike for her arm.
Oh, that's a weapon, is it?
It'd be good for picking up donuts.
Oh, it is too. You love your donuts, don't you?
I do love a good... Oh, no, she's got hands here. So she can't... Oh.
Yeah, there's a hand there. She's holding on to that big spike.
Her tummy's out.
What do you mean?
It's like exposed. That wouldn't be very good in the heat of the battle.
That could be just skin-coloured. That could be armour.
Skin-coloured armour.
Yeah. See, would have tricked you, wouldn't it?
Would have tricked me.
See?
My sword would have bounced straight off.
Again, you've got different face expressions.
She looks surprised in that face.
That's right. Oh. And on the different hands. Then obviously you've got all this extra weaponry and armour which you can put in to customize. And also a stand. That's helpful. And again, stop motion animation is really, really handy.
So no glue for this one either.
No glue.
How are we meant to sell glue?
Luckily, we've got plenty of other models that do use glue. Yeah, it's not a Bandai one.
If we had a Bandai, like Bandai only shop, imagine how long your box of glue would last.
It'll last forever.
What have you got there? Sideways.
I've got a blue ashtray.
Yep. Rightio.
Is it sideways?
I'm not sure. I can't.
No, it's upright, isn't it? The writing sideways.
I feel like some of these boxes almost make me want to have a fit looking.
So this is an ashtray blue frame.
Blue frame.
Second revised.
Yep. Well, the first revision had a grey frame.
You don't? Are you sure?
Is that right?
I don't know.
Yep,
I don't
that's
know.
what I heard.
I'm thinking it's still blue.
Is it?
Yeah, it's just got a few mods on it.
Ooh.
So this is an MG, Master Grade. We haven't had a lot of Master Grades for a while.
No?
Simply because of manufacturing shortages from Bandai in Japan.
There's no shortage of people wanting Bandai, though, is there?
There isn't. There's more people wanting Bandai and Gundam. So this is cool.
Not to be confused.
Confused with?
Bandai and Gundam.
All right, so there's your blue ashtray. Now we've got...
Oh.
Which way does this go?
I'm going to get these out of the way.
Does this go this way?
Which way?
I don't know. Which way is it meant to stand up? This is a dual Gundam.
What do you mean?
Assault Shroud.
A what?
So it's a Gundam, with extra armor.
So he can fight twice.
He can survive twice as long.
Yep.
Yep. How's that?
I think it's good.
Let's have a closer look.
What, are you going in?
No, just in the box.
Oh. He's got quite a
How
little,
means he look?
got quite a little head.
So all these extra bits here, that's all extra.
Is
You
it?
can see that right here. That's him with all the stuff on. And these are all your extra bits. So you can imagine that's him by himself. in
What
his
sort of
lean
noise do you think these robots make?
state. What was that? What
Are
do you
they-
imagine?
Are they like zoop, 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 like that sort of noise, like when
no,
they move?
No. Because these are huge. These are like the size of a skyscraper.
Yeah, but they have to move quite agile. They can't be like a turtle, surely.
I'm thinking they're a bit faster than a turtle, but
Yep.
I imagine they've got a deep sound, like a growling sound. No, not like a bear. Was I totally wrong then? Was that too organic? So that's cool. So this one is another Master Grade.
Why don't
So
we ask
Master
the
Grade
people
secret.
at home,
Ask them what?
what noise does the Gundam make?
Okay.
What noise
People
does
will be sending us links to all these clips.
Really?
From the animation, I
it,
reckon.
what, you reckon?
I
What
reckon.
noise? No, I want, no, not from the animation, in real life.
A real one?
A real one.
Well, there's a real one out in Yokohama.
Yeah, what noise does he
Yeah, I
make?
posted videos on that.
Yeah.
I reckon it does the bear noise.
Near the tyre factory.
I don't know. It could be.
What have we got?
Next up, got one of these things. It's a new real grade.
A new.
Pretty sure. I know it looks new to me. I don't remember seeing this one before.
King of the Braves.
That's him. Is that a lion on his chest? Or is he just happy to see me?
Could be a line. I can't see from here.
Can't you see from there?
What's his name? Gaio.
Oh,
Gaio?
It's another one of those names which is really, really hard to
Come
pronounce.
on. You should be a
Gaio
natural.
Geiger.
Gaio.
He's a
Gaio.
Geiger.
Geiger
that's a-
Cantor.
maybe that's a
he's
tiger.
maybe he's nuclear powered.
Maybe it's a tiger. Looks like a lion, though.
Tiger, lion. Maybe it's a liger.
But when you have a close look at the side of this box, he's pretty interesting.
Is he?
Maybe we'll flick it over to the top.
Have a look at the top. What's interesting here? Talk me through it. You have to do some pointing and some
I
talking.
can barely see. He's got lots of chunky bits.
Yeah?
Yep.
Oh, does it have a shield?
It's got a shield. And look at that. It's got wings on the back end.
So he flies.
I reckon if he jumped hard enough, he'll probably fly pretty far.
That is definitely a line on his chest.
That's a lion, isn't it? That's a gold lion.
Or a sun with teeth.
And he's got these
Oh.
these moles on his
Knee moles.
golden knee moles.
Hey? He's going to drill into things,
Mate, you'll be scared if you saw him down in Dark Lane, wouldn't you?
wouldn't you? You wouldn't want to run into him. You wouldn't,
No.
you wouldn't want to headbutt that
No, you'll be going the other way.
very quickly.
Hey, look at that. He's got like bullet trains on his shoulders. Someone's got to tell us what this is all about. I don't know what this is about.
This is mental. I love it. This is, what's it called? RG
Yep.
Excitement Embodied. It's like out of control.
Well, I reckon he's pretty excited.
How do we make him better? We'll put a line on him. How do we make him better? We'll put the bullet train on his shoulders. Nah, it's still not enough. Oh, we'll put the mining stuff on his knees.
That's right.
No?
Looks like the Madonna style, doesn't it?
Yeah, but it's on his knees, not on his chest. They couldn't fit it with the lion. Oh,
Oh, the imagination. Oh,
and
and
that's what I love about Gundam, just the imagination of it all.
Da-da-da-da.
This is something that you were so excited about. Now, you're going to have to explain it to me through the art of video.
I will do. Okay, let's look at this. This
Let's-
will probably be easier for all of us, right?
Yeah, let's have
If
a
we
look at
watch this.
this.
Bandai Gashpon presents. So Gashpon is the mystery ball things.
You have to translate it. I do not read Japanese.
Capsule toy something. I can't know. It's not too
Gashapon?
fast for me. Lots of.
Lots of fun.
Nah, it's too fast for me.
Oh, gold bits.
Oh, we got shiny blue lights now.
Transforming.
Yep.
So it's a transforming vending machine.
Yeah. Yeah, so you got the Gashapon in the center there. It's actually one of the huge ones, one of the newer style ones. And it transforms like this. It changes from the unicorn mode to the destroy mode. How good's that? And you can see the other side of the box is massive.
And it's like radio controlled.
Yeah, so there's a hand controller that comes with it. Oh, this is getting a bit dramatic, isn't it?
Does it make noise? Am I going too far?
Don't know if it makes noise.
No.
No. It's got those little whirring sounds as it's
So do you have to
shifting.
assemble it or does it come assembled?
It comes assembled.
Oh.
Might be some assembly required, but most of it's
Can we get it out and play with it? No, we shouldn't get it out and play with
probably
it.
not.
This thing would be worth a fortune.
We'll get,
No?
we'll get into trouble, I think.
We can
Oh,
put
look at
we
that.
can put with the baby pandas fit in it.
Baby pandas, well, we'll probably have to get the baby panda and stick it into a big ball and then stick it inside.
Oh really? So
Yeah.
it doesn't it's not a standard
Pretty big.
gadget.
Oh, look, look,
Oh!
see? You're missing out.
I can see it.
See that? Transformed into destroy mode.
And now he's gonna have a baby. Is he gonna plop something out the front?
Yeah, coming soon, I think. Wait for it. Wait for it.
Ooh. Coming soon.
Oh,
Oh,
There's the controller.
There's the controller that comes with.
yep.
I'm loving this.
Oh,
Oh,
look at the transformation. That's cool.
yes! Exciting. Whoop,
Oh, there's the Gashapon.
coming.
Lights up the face in the unicorn mode.
I'm gonna kill you by giving you a
Here
vending
we go.
ball.
What's going to happen now?
Gonna-
Wow. The suspense.
Oh!
There it goes, there it goes.
Did you see the finger poke it from the back?
Yeah, well, that's how it happened.
I thought it was.
No, it all
I thought it was roboticized.
Well, the top bit is.
68 mil Gachapon ball.
So you see the size of that hand. No, this is big. This is a big model.
It big
model.
might be a small hand.
Oh, that could be true too.
Might have been filmed in Thailand or the Philippines.
You're terrible.
Well, you just don't know.
There you go.
So we have
Ultimate
got these-
Mechanics. Unicorn Gundam. Look at the size of the
And
box.
I'd be surprised if these aren't purchased by the time that we get off this show.
Could be.
You know what I mean?
Look at that.
That is phenomenal. I'm not
Yep.
going to. This is expensive.
Perfect gift.
Perfect gift to yourself. No, this is somebody who's going to buy this for themselves. I guarantee it. They go,
Probably.
oh,
Yeah, most likely.
because I've been waiting for this forever.
Yes.
That is
How special is
beautiful.
it?
That is super special.
Nice.